Sea levels are expected to rise between 7 and 23 inches by the end of the century, and continued melting at the poles could add between 4 and 8 inches. Natural disasters such as hurricanes, tornadoes, and tsunamis are expected to become stronger. Species that depend on one another may become out of sync. For example, plants could bloom earlier than their pollinating insects may become active. Floods and droughts will become more common. Rainfall in Ethiopia, where droughts are already common, could decline by 10% over the next 50 years. Less fresh water will be available. If the Quelccaya ice cap in Peru continues to melt at its current rate, it will be gone by 2100, leaving thousands of people who rely on it for drinking water and electricity without a source of ether. Because of this, it's inferred that riots, even wars, could break out due to the lack of water. Some diseases will spread, such as malaria carried by mosquitoes. Ecosystems will change. Some species will move farther north or become more successful. Others won't be able to move and could become extinct. Wildlife research scientist Martin Obarn has found that since the mid-1980s, with less ice on which to live and fish for food, polar bears have gotten considerably skinnier. Polar bear biologist Ian Sterling has found a similar pattern in Hudson Bay. He fears that if sea ice disappears, the polar bears will as well.